Hello everyone, Sharif Abuzid here with a new video, and today I want to speak about how you can actually choose the right theme for your WordPress website. Changing themes can be a very painful process. That's why you need to exactly know how to choose the right theme. You need to know the criteria that you need to check when you're choosing your WordPress theme. Then I will give you my recommendations for the best two themes that I keep using for my WordPress websites and my clients' websites as well. Now, of course, if you don't know what is a WordPress theme, this is a template. Let's say this is a template, just for the sake of simplicity, that you use that controls the header and footer of your website and some layout options inside the WordPress website. So for example, you use a theme to control how does your navigation bar or your menu looks like, if you want to add a button, if you want to add your social media icons. Also at the bottom of your website, you need to control it. The WordPress theme helps you control like how does your footer look like, and some advanced themes which we'll be talking about today can help you also control the layout of your blog posts and the layout of your website pages. So this is simply what is a WordPress theme. But still, if you try to install a new theme for your WordPress website, you'll find more than 5,800 themes to choose from. Of course, if you don't know how to change the theme of your WordPress website, so this is how our default WordPress installation will look like. If you want to change this, you need to go to appearance and then click themes, and here you'll find more than 5,000. Of course, you need to click add new, and these are, as you can see, more than 5,800 themes to choose from. And this makes it a confusing process for people who are starting to use WordPress for the first time. Which theme can you use? Which theme can you select, or you need to select from all of these themes? Some themes that use very attractive thumbnails to tell you that, or to give you the impression that they have a lot of options, but still when you try to install the demo of this theme, you'll find that you need to do some extra work from your end or from your site to be able to have the same layout that you can see in the thumbnail. That's why I want to help you in this video choose the right theme following certain criteria. So once you know these criteria, you can start choosing your right theme, but still I will not leave you alone. I will give you my two recommendations at the end of this video for the best two themes that I keep using for my websites and clients' websites, as I mentioned before. So to install a new theme, you just click, as I mentioned, themes, click add new, and you can just choose one of these and click install, and this WordPress theme will be installed. But how you can actually choose the right theme? First, you need to, this is my recommendation, you need to stay away from something like Theme Forest. Theme Forest themes, they look fine, but still most of the time they are not updated. You can't install them in more than one website according to their terms and conditions, and they have still limited options. Not all of them, but most of them actually. They may look cheap, but still you can use a free theme from inside WordPress that can give you a ton of options when it comes to controlling the layout options of your WordPress, the header and footer, and some internal layouts. So how you can actually choose a WordPress theme? As I mentioned, you can just click here to install one. If you want to check the details, you can just click here. You find the details of the WordPress of this theme. But still, these are limited information. What I like to do actually is that if I want to install this theme, I will just go to wordpress.org, and then I go to themes, and I will find these are the same themes that you'll find in this page. So I'll just go here and I click in the more info button. Then I will find out more information about this particular theme. So these are the criteria that I look for when it comes to choosing my theme. First, when it was last updated, because sometimes, I mean, WordPress by the end of the day is a software that needs to be updated to be able to have more features. And when it comes to update, sometimes there is some security issues. That's why you need to choose a theme that keeps updated or being updated by the theme developer. So the first criteria or the first checkbox that I need to check is when this theme was last updated. As you can see, I'm recording this in the 15th of August, and this theme was updated yesterday. This doesn't mean that your theme needs to be updated yesterday, but still, at least like for the last couple of months, last 2 months, the theme needs to be updated. some to be sometimes it is updated to add some features, it's updated to fix some things, it's updated to fix some security issues, but still this theme needs to be updated, needs to be kept updated always. This is the first criteria. When was this theme last updated? Then the second criteria that I like always to check is the support. So when of course I'm speaking about the free themes of WordPress. Now support means that sometimes you will have issues, sometimes you will have some questions that you need to know, you have answers for. You need to go to the support for inside WordPress.org themes, and you need to open your WordPress theme and you need to go to view their support forum. Here you'll find if the theme developer is following the questions asked by the theme users. Still, this is a free theme, but still, if a company is very serious about their business, they need to offer support, free support for their free themes as well. Not very 24-hour support, but still there should be some sort of support answering people's questions. So I just go here and I see like some questions, and check some of these and know if the company is actually replying to the questions of the free users of the theme. So as you can see here, this is the Astra theme. This is a very known reliable theme, and as you can see now, there is someone of the Princeton Force, which is the company behind Astra, is answering the question of the free users. And you can actually know this by just scrolling through the questions. You'll find that these support tickets, this have only one reply, so these have not been replied to, but still 22 hours ago or 1 day ago there has been an update here, 3 updates. So this Astra theme company, this Princeton company, is giving support for the free users of their theme. So the second criteria, as I mentioned, the first one is when was the theme last updated. The second criteria is when was the theme, what about the support forum of the theme. Then I will check the ratings of the theme. As you can see, this theme has more 5,125 5-star ratings. This makes it then I can feel more safe when it comes to this theme, because many people are also using the theme and they are giving it more than 5,000 people is giving it more than 5 stars reviews. Then I will check with the active installations. Of course, the more installations the theme is active, the better. But still, this is an important criteria, but I think it falls under my fourth criteria. The most important 3 criteria that I always check is when the theme was last updated, the support forum, and also the ratings. Then I will check for the active illustration. So according to my criteria, this theme is a very reliable theme. Now this can be one of my options. Then I will keep looking over the WordPress themes. Usually the first page will give you the most popular themes. Then you can when you choose something like this is another theme that I like to use. It has the 4 marks checked. Support is great, updates are great, ratings are great, active installations is more than 200,000 installations, because this is a more recent theme. The Astra theme has been I think it was developed 5 years ago or even 6 years ago, but the Kadence theme is a newer version of WordPress themes. And also, I know the developer of the theme. I know actually the developers of both themes, and these are my best themes: the Astra theme and the Kadence theme. So now these are all the criteria that I use when it comes to choosing the correct theme. Then I will start installing these themes in testing stages or testing environments to know what are the features of these themes. If you don't have a testing environment, you can check with your hosting company to know if they can offer you a staging website or a test website where you can just install the theme and test and know the features. Also, one of the other criteria that I like to know if this theme supports page builders, something like Elementor or the block editor, which is the default WordPress block editor, or this is the canvas that you use to design your WordPress pages. But can't know this unless you read the features or the definition of the WordPress theme. And sometimes I like to do this. I actually go to the theme homepage. So when you click here, you will go to the theme homepage or the theme website itself. So let's click here. Now the homepage of the theme will open. This is the homepage of the theme. It will give me more information about the theme and if there is a premium feature or if there is a premium version of this theme. And these are the free templates. You will find that if this theme is giving you free templates that you can actually install and start tweaking and start designing or start changing them. You need to go through and check if there are some more features about this theme. Once you choose a theme, you need to just go to your WordPress dashboard again. You either download the theme files from here and you just you click upload the theme files here, or you can actually go to the theme and choose one of these and just click install. So my recommended two themes, I recommend always to use one of these two themes, the Astra theme or the Kadence theme. You can't go wrong with any of these when one of these themes. The Astra theme, which has been developed by the Brainstorm Force company, and the Kadence theme, which has been developed by the Kadence WP company. I have been using this theme. I know Kadence WP theme from like 2014. This was my first purchase with them, and I've known Astra or Brainstorm Force since I think 2018. I was first introduced to them. I keep using the products of both companies, and you can't go wrong with any of these. But because I just like to start using Kadence for this demo. So if you want to install a theme, you simply click install here, and then you need to change or activate the theme. So we need to click activate to activate the theme to be able to use it. And here, this was the default WordPress theme that comes with the default installation of WordPress. If we click, because we have installed Kadence and it is now active, we just click here, click refresh, you'll find that the layout of the theme has been changed. Now I can start tweaking this theme, and you can start tweaking any theme by going to your WordPress dashboard and click under appearance, you click customize. Then you'll find what's called a customizer inside WordPress. Here you can start tweaking, the fonts of your pages, the fonts, the colors of this is how you can choose a color. You can make a lot of things here. I'll leave a link down below about my full tutorial about how you can use Kadence theme. I will go through the main options of the Kadence theme, how you can change the fonts, the layout options, the images, the comments, breadcrumbs, and so many options, how you can change the post page layout and the site identity, how you can add menus. Again, this is how you can choose a WordPress theme. Choosing the right theme is an important step that you need to consider and take care of from the beginning of your WordPress design journey, because changing themes in the future can be a very painful process. That's why you need to consider these 4 criteria. When was the theme last updated? What about their support forum? What about the ratings, and how many active installations does this theme have? So hopefully you find this video helpful. If you like it, please give me a like, and please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I create similar videos every single day. Now, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.